to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in.
Welcome back to Garage. So today we're going to finish putting this Ironhead back together. We're going to get to the point where hopefully I just need to start doing timing, and I just need to start its break-in process. So pretty much just going to put you up on time lapse. I'm going to put everything back on it, get everything wired up to where it's supposed to go, and then check all the connections, make sure everything's good. And like I said, and then the only thing I'll have left after today is timing. So we'll see how it goes. The only thing I have left to put on here is the carburetor, the ignition module floater thing, whatever, that does the leveling to tell when to fire. I'm not really sure what it does, it's new to me. The ignition coil, top motor mount, and I gotta do the felt for the seat, so I'll show you. I'll stop the time lapse to show you that, and then I gotta run the oil lines. I don't know if I'm gonna do a filter for this yet. I gotta look and do some research on doing it. So if I do this filter, I won't obviously hook up the oil lines because they're very long right now, so I'll leave that to be able to run, but we'll see. So that's the game plan for today. So I'm gonna get you up on the tripod, I'm gonna start time lapsing you, and just gonna let you watch. So with that, I'll cut to the intro, and then or maybe I won't cut to the intro, I don't know. Anyway, let's get started.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable.
Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. So we got the ignition coil on. This wire right here runs from the regulator, so I got to wire that all the way down. This wire here runs to the key switch. This one is the ground for the the vacuum. So I got to run that. But I cut my own wires to length, so there it is. Ran them back down here, tied them off on the mount back here that goes into the case bolt right over here. Ran it back here, tied it off to the brake line to kind of give it that uniform look, and then it splits down beneath the regulator and generator right there. So barring these three, got that done. And then on this side we got the carburetor on. So that's all tightened down, good to go. Got the air cleaner on here. So now the next step is going to be finish wiring the stuff that we just did to everywhere it needs to go. Wire up the electrical for the motor. The only thing I have left is the solenoid connector to the starter relay, and the starter relay, the key switch, and then the key switch to the battery, and then the generator wire to the battery, like I said before. So that's just the electrical stuff there, and then I'll be done. I'm gonna put the dual cable back on here. So wiring, dual cable, still gotta do the seat, haven't done that yet. I'm gonna order a oil filter kit. I don't know which one, but I will drop that down. And then wire up the oil filter, put oil in it, and then should be good to crank it over. I'll throw the exhaust back on as well. So, but yeah, you know, just a time-lapse video, kind of what I got done today. A few hours, not much. So I'm just gonna keep cranking out. If you like what you see or you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Oh, and I got something that just came in. So hold on real quick. I got these stickers right here. So yeah, it's the same thing as that over there, but in sticker form. So link to these are in the description below. I don't think I make anything, but you can make them off, you can buy them off Sticker Mule if you like them. I also have the other ones with the old channel logo, but this is the one that I got. So yeah, if you like these, you want to buy them, Sticker Mule. If you not sponsored, but Sticker Mule is an awesome website. So anyway, I'll see you on the next one.